All right, so this woman wants to know, how do you make him feel like he is the man? Well, to make him feel like he is the man is you have to be a woman on a serious level. Serious level. You've got to develop yourself as a pure feminine woman, because this line of questioning is as if you are trying to, play a game and use tactics and strategies and all that stuff there. Fuck all that. Just develop yourself as a pure feminine woman, right? When you develop yourself as a pure feminine woman, you're going to end up bringing in, if you're ready with this guy or whatever, you're going to naturally bring out the traits of him being an alpha, and you get it, and him being an alpha, he's actually being a man. Now, here's the other thing. The other thing is, you may attract a guy that is an actual alpha, and that guy that you're with now may just, you know, go away in somewhere. I don't know. But anyway, it is what it is. Life is life, isn't it? But click the link in the description box below. It says become a member of the Thealkebulantrust. And when you do that, you get access to online courses such as Roles and Relationships. And that's where you're going to learn exactly how relationships work in general. But on top of that, like I said, you'll learn exactly how to develop yourself as a pure feminine woman. So if you've got any questions, any topics you'd like for us to discuss on our videos, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because you never know, the video you suggest might just be next.